Two adjacent sides of parallelogram are given 2i minus 4j plus 5k and I minus 2j minus 3k. The adjacent sides are given. Find the unit vector parallel to its diagonals and also find its area they are asking. So now you have to find what are the unit vectors parallel to diagonals. So the sides are given as a and b. The diagonals are a bar plus b bar and b bar minus a bar. These are diagonals. A, B, C, D. We know that A comma B are sides. Then diagonals will be, this already we discussed about the diagonals how to get. So diagonals will be P bar plus A bar and B bar minus A bar. That means AC equal to B plus A and BD equal to B minus A. This already proof. Just let us now also find the area of the parallelogram. You know, area of parallelogram is directly A cross B. Directly you can take it here. So now you can find the sides first, then you can go for, so first you can find diagonals, then you can take the unit vectors along those. Okay, right. Let us take here A bar, this one you can consider. This is B bar, you can take it here. So now first diagonals. The diagonals are AC bar equal to B bar plus A bar. Adding both, what comes here? Directly add 3i minus 6j plus 2k, that is AC. Now BD will be B bar minus A bar. Do it slowly. I minus 2j minus 3k, minus of means minus 2i plus 4j minus 5k. So this will give minus I cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap. This we got here. So we got AC diagonal and we got BD diagonal. So these are the diagonals comes here. So what they are asking, find a unit vector along the diagonals. Unit vector along AC, unit vector along BD. So now let us take unit vector along AC. That is nothing but AC bar by length of AC. So that is nothing but, what is AC vector? 3i minus 6j plus 2k by root over 9 plus 36 plus 4. This is root 49, that gives 7. 3i minus 6j plus 2k by 7. The same manner, unit vector along BD. Unit vector along BD will be BD by magnitude of BD. So the BD vector is minus I plus 2j minus 8k by root over magnitude. We directly can take 1 plus 4 plus 64. 64 plus 4, 68 plus 1, 69. That is the unit vector along the second diagonal. The first diagonal 3i minus 6j plus 2k by 7. The next unit vector along the second diagonal BD is minus I plus 2j minus 8k by root 69. You got unit vector along the both the diagonals. You got it here. So now what they are asking to find, you can find the area. Ganesh, next you can take area. So you got A bar vector, we are taken as what? A bar vector 2i 5k. B bar vector you got I minus 2j minus 3k. Once you check the values correct or wrong, 2i minus 4j plus 5k and I minus 2j minus 3k. Okay, now we can find area, means find A cross B first. A cross will be I, j, k, 2 minus 4, 5, 1 minus 2 minus 3. So now I can find, this is nothing. So here I into, what comes here? 12 plus 10 minus j into same plus minus plus combination minus j into, so what here? Minus 6 minus 5 plus k into what? Minus 4 plus 4. Do it slowly because one small mistake also entire question will go wrong. 22i plus 11j. You can take 11 common from this, 2y plus j comes here. So now we got A cross B. But we want area now. Area means magnitude. Therefore, area equal to magnitude of A cross B. So 11 is constant. You can apply only magnitude for the vector 2y plus j. So this is 11 into root over 2 square plus 1 square. That gives 11 into root 5. So 11 root 5 square units. That is the area of the parallelogram. So you can check the answers also. Let us take the answers. What is get? 11 root 5 area. So other one is minus I plus 2j minus 8k by root 69. And other diagonal is 3i minus 6j plus 2k by 7. Check the whether correct or wrong what you did. So area got correctly. Now the unit vectors you got 3i minus 6j plus 2k by root 49 is 7. So I minus 2j minus 8k by root 69. It's a very good question. So hope understand everyone.